were pushed aside in life, left standing without a place of our own, so tired of waiting, wanting to sit down as if no one could understand. I stand before a world so cold, the road ahead feels far away. Through a passing window I can see someone working, sweating through the day. I used to long for rest so badly, but that feeling slowly fades away, washing off these falling drops of sweat. I see we've almost reached the place we're meant to stay. The ruthless wind pushed me from my ground. I lost the place where I once stood. I lift my eyes toward distant mountains, searching for something good. A whisper of hope rides on the wind, softly calling out to me, calling out to anyone who listens, calling those who still believe. To the ones who carry hope inside, even if you fall again, heaven will not turn away from you. When I found myself once more, I saw we'd reached our journey's end. Pieces of cloud drift across the sky. Migrating birds have lost their way. Our lives are just the same as theirs, wandering without a place to stay. Like birds that fly with no direction, searching for a distant shore. Tell me now where we are going. What are we still flying for? Dime oh, bird, where will you go? Burning, holding joys from passing days. Life reveals its deeper flavor as the world in kindness stays. All the light it gives your